Hello guys, I hope you're okay. Today we're gonna go to continue our tutorial. For this part we have two paragraphs to learn it. We will begin with dimensions of an element, and we will try to do a test for resizing an image. So we begin. So for example, we have a section or a division like this, and inside this section we have an image, for example like this. Good. We call this the height of element. For example, the height of image, even for section, the height of section. Yes. And for this, we call it the height, the width of element, for example the width of section or the width of image. We will try together. For example, we have a division, and inside this division we use another section or another division. We will use the classes as we have already seen. Class global from, for example, for this is inside, for example. So as we said about the dimensions of an element, we try, for example, 200 for the height of global division. Example, global, we try 200 pixel on the height of global division, and 700 pixel for the width. With a background color brown, for example. Here it is. Even for inside classes, class we copy that, one hundred, 500. Black, for example. Good. But we don't have a distance between the two divisions. That's why this place, or the distance between the section and image, is called padding of section. Padding of section. Even for image, this is the padding of image. And for this, the distance between section and interior is called the margin of section or margin of image. For example, on the top we say margin top, on the right margin right, the bottom margin bottom, and on the left margin left. Even for image, margin left for image, padding left for image, margin bottom for image, padding bottom for image, margin right, padding right, margin top, and padding top. Good. Last thing is the test of margin. For example, margin left of global division 200. Good. But if we use margin with no bottom, no top, no right, no everything, that means margin of all sides. For example, margin $400. It is. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Coding is easy. Thanks.